Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the Information Deluge channel. Although space is a vacuum, it does not mean that there is no sound in space. Sound can still exist in space in the form of electromagnetic vibrations. NASA has recorded electromagnetic vibrations between 20 and 20,000 Hz wavelengths, which are audible to the human ear, in space using plasma wave antennas on instruments such as the Voyager space probe. The sounds have been taken from NASA's own website. Enjoy your watching. The voice of Saturn. Many of these sounds, which are actually caused by the constant collision of Saturn's rings with each other, are slowed down and compressed since they are at a frequency that the human ear cannot perceive. Voice of the world. Considering that we produce many artificial frequencies that alter the musical tone of our planet, it should come as no surprise that this is the case. As you listen to the sound, keep in mind that this belongs to just one of billions of planets. The sound of a black hole. Elward Morgan from MIT converted X-ray data collected from a black hole called GRS 1915+15 into sound waves that the human ear can perceive. Here is the lowest note in the universe, the sound of a black hole. The voice of the Neptune. Neptune's sound can be described as unsettling rather than terrifying. You can imagine how being the windiest and coldest planet in the solar system would lead to a rather intense sound. Of the Jupiter, just as harsh and powerful as the mythological god it was named after. Jupiter's voice is a testament to the immense power of this planet. It emits incredibly strong electromagnetic waves that can sometimes be heard as a whistling sound. It is reminiscent of nothing else but the ceaseless, violent storms that rage on this gas giant. There is no further explanation needed for this sound.
Uranüs'ün sesi.
If this is the case, the sound of Uranus's ring is mostly caused by pieces of ice in its orbit hitting each other. Voice of the sun.
Vela pulsar.
Even though it sounds like a helicopter or something, it's actually a neutron star that spins around 700 times a second, emitting electromagnetic waves and making noise.